Do you want to practice English and feel super inspired today? Let me tell you a true story. A story about a poor boy, who became the most famous man in the world. He didn't use words. He used his face, his body, and his heart. This is the story of Charlie Chaplin, the king of silent comedy. And guess what? While you listen, you'll also learn simple, useful English. So, let's start. And remember, stay with me until the end. The last part will change the way you see your life. A sad beginning. Charlie Chaplin was born in 1889, in London. His life was not easy. His father was an actor, but he drank too much. His mother was a singer, but she lost her voice. When Charlie was 7, his father died. His mother became sick. They had no money. Sometimes, they had no food. Charlie lived in a small room with his brother. But even when life was hard, Charlie smiled. Charlie dreamed. One day, he said, "I will make people laugh." Would you still smile if you had no food, no money, and no dad? Charlie did. Let's see how he turned pain into comedy. A boy on stage. Charlie started acting when he was only 10. He worked in small theaters. He danced. He sang. He made funny faces. People loved him. They forgot their problems when Charlie was on stage. Charlie also watched people. He learned how people walked, cried, laughed, and moved. He copied them. Then he made them funny. He didn't know it yet, but this was the start of something big. A big dream. When Charlie was 24, he got a big chance. A company invited him to go to America. He was scared. He had never left London. He had no friends in America. But he said, "I will go. I have a dream." So he took a small suitcase, a hat, and a lot of hope. He got on the ship to a new world. Charlie went to America with nothing but a dream. Now, guess what happened next? The Little Tramp. In America, Charlie started making silent movies. Movies without sound. No speaking. No music. But he made people laugh, all over the world. He created a character called the Little Tramp. The tramp had a small black hat, big shoes, a funny walk, and a kind heart. The tramp was poor, but smart. Sad, but strong. People saw themselves in the tramp. And they loved him. Success and sadness. Charlie became rich. His movies were famous: The Kid, City Lights, Modern Times, The Great Dictator. But Charlie was still alone. Fame brought problems. People judged him. Some said he was too strange. But Charlie didn't stop. He kept working. He kept making people laugh. Because he knew, laughter is the best medicine. Charlie didn't use words, but people all over the world understood him. You have words. You can speak. So never say, "I can't learn English." You can. Lessons from Charlie. Charlie didn't go to a good school. But he learned from the world. He said, "Failure is unimportant. What matters is that you try. A day without laughter is a day wasted." These quotes are still famous today. He also said, you'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down. His life was full of pain, but he chose to smile. Just like you can choose to practice, and grow. A global star. Charlie's movies went to every country. In Japan, Brazil, India, Africa, people loved him. Why? Because he didn't need words. He used emotion. He taught us, we are all the same. We laugh. We cry. We love. And that's a lesson more important than grammar. Charlie made millions of people happy. Now, can you use your English to make someone smile today? His final years. Charlie moved to Switzerland in his old age. He had 11 children. He still played music and wrote ideas. When he was 88, he passed away. But his smile stayed in the hearts of many. The world cried. But they also laughed, watching his films again. Practice and smile. So, what did we learn today? Charlie had a hard life. No money. No school. But he practiced. He smiled. And he never gave up. You can do the same. Use your English every day. 1 word today. 2 words tomorrow. Mistakes? No problem. Just like Charlie, fall down, get up, and laugh. Write this in the comments. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. Practice your English. Share this video with a friend who loves to smile. Like. Subscribe. And keep learning with us every week. Because English is not just grammar, it's life, stories, and feeling. Thank you for watching. And remember Charlie's words, smile, even when your heart is breaking. See you next time.